Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And one of the things that I was looking at, and we've seen in the past, of course, with Windows 10, the famous Feedback Hub. Of course, it's also available in Windows 11. That's where you can actually do things. That's where you can report a problem. Sometimes they have quests or things that you can try to do. For example, here there's a quest with the new snipping tool. Now, when you leave feedback, when you look at the problems that you could see in the different problems, there's, of course, the problem. There's a upvotes that you can do if you have a similar problem. You can upvote a problem so that they could help. And the problem is I look at all the different things in here. So, there are some really useless things like, I would like to have a wallpaper in Windows 11 that has flower and colored background. Go get yourself some wallpapers on the internet. I don't know. There are things like this. It's like, come on. There are problems that are here that are, I try to find how, useful they are and how Microsoft can try to find anything useful in here, because it's such a a mess of comments and of things, and the same problem might show up, but written in 50 different ways. The Feedback Hub could be very useful, but I think it still needs, and they need to make this a different way of reporting. I don't know. It's kind of a problem, I think, still today. And there's two things in here: is how do you see the problems that people report and fix them? Once again, we've seen in the past that a lot of the problems that Windows had, and I wouldn't be surprised still today that happens, have already been reported in Feedback Hub. If they had seen it, they would have not released an update that is broken. It's a little bit like the Windows Insider program. When you test things there, I don't get it that it goes through and you can still have a problem because it's tested, and once again, people have reported it in a Feedback Hub somehow. The other thing also is, what exactly is Microsoft listening to? I mean, we've reported and talked a lot about it, how the Feedback Hub seems to be ignored for a lot of things. And that is also a big problem. I can't imagine, why you have a Feedback Hub if you don't plan to listen or check out what people are actually trying to tell you, that what they would like to change and so on. And that is also, the stubbornness of Microsoft is also a problem, I think, in here. So I don't know. I really don't know if the Feedback Hub is that useful. Then again, that said, I would definitely still go and report a problem if there is one, and hope that it is being, listened, and somebody will read it and something will happen, hopefully. But it's kind of difficult to understand how this works and if it actually does work. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.